It's 11:47 p.m. You're staring at a budgeting spreadsheet that says you should have money left this month, but somehow your bank account disagrees. Your laptop shows perfect colorful charts: food budget, savings goal, rent, gym membership. But your phone? Your phone is glowing with a delivery app and a $17 burrito bowl that suddenly
My
feels like
wallet is
the
empty.
best
This
decision
can't
of
be
the day.
happening. Ugh,
And
I'm
this
such a
is the
failure.
weird thing about modern money problems. Most people don't destroy their finances with huge mistakes. They do it with tiny taps. One tap for food delivery. One tap for a subscription. One tap for free trial, cancel anytime. And suddenly, your budget looks like a fitness plan you wrote but never actually followed. Think about the moment you open a budgeting app. You feel responsible, organized, like the kind of person who has their life together. But 5 minutes later, you're on the couch, exhausted after work or the gym, scrolling a delivery app thinking, cooking sounds like effort. Decision fatigue is real. Your brain has been making choices all day. Emails, deadlines, messages, work, traffic. By the time dinner shows up, your brain just wants easy. So the phone wins. You hover over the order button. The kitchen sink has dishes. The fridge looks empty. The app promises hot food in 20 minutes. Tap. And the crazy part is how invisible the spending feels. You don't pull out cash anymore. You don't count bills. You just tap your phone at a counter, grab a burrito bowl, and walk away like nothing happened. But behind the scenes, your money is doing something very real. It's quietly leaking. Look around a modern apartment. Streaming subscriptions, music subscriptions, cloud storage, apps, food delivery, random monthly charges you forgot existed. Each one feels tiny. $10 here, $12 there, $9.99 for something you barely watch. But your bank account sees the full picture. It sees all of them. That's why someone can feel broke even while making decent money, because spending today isn't painful, it's frictionless. You leave work tired, city lights glowing, and your brain asks one question: what's the easiest way to eat tonight? Not the cheapest, not the smartest, the easiest. And that's where the hidden cost shows up. The burrito bowl might say $11, but after fees, taxes, and delivery, now it's $19. And the app never really shows you the emotional damage until the receipt appears. But it's not just food, it's lifestyle inflation. When life gets a little better, spending quietly upgrades with it. Bigger apartment, more subscriptions, more convenience, more treat yourself. And suddenly, normal life costs way more than it used to. Even grocery shopping becomes stressful. You stand in the aisle comparing prices on your phone, thinking, cooking might actually be more expensive. Your brain is juggling too many choices: food, apps, subscriptions, shopping, messages, notifications. No wonder people feel overwhelmed. But here's the twist. Fixing your finances isn't usually about discipline. It's about changing the system. Imagine money moving automatically the moment your paycheck hits. A chunk instantly goes to savings, another goes to bills, another to investing, before you even touch it. Now suddenly the decisions get easier. Your kitchen has prepared meals ready to go. Your phone still has delivery apps, but you don't open them because dinner already exists. You delete a couple of the worst spending triggers. You add friction, because friction is powerful. When spending becomes slightly harder, your brain pauses. That pause is where better decisions happen. Now your fridge is stocked. Your meals are ready. Your budget lives in a notebook instead of a complicated app you ignore. Sometimes you even pay with cash again. And that tiny moment, handing over physical money, reminds your brain that spending is real. You still enjoy food. You still go out. You still eat burrito bowls. But now it's planned, not impulsive. Meanwhile, your phone sends a quiet notification. Savings completed. Money moved automatically. You didn't think about it. You didn't stress about it. It just happened. And the biggest change isn't in your bank account, it's in your habits. Because the real enemy of budgeting isn't laziness, it's repetition. Night after night, tap after tap, tiny spending patterns that slowly drain your future. But once you see them, you can break them. And suddenly the same phone that used to leak money becomes the thing that builds it. Because the difference between being broke and being financially